stories of grit and determination.
If I will work in US, I can earn money, but my purpose of my life will not fulfill.
It's very much a need that what I didn't get, other people should. If somebody would have informed me that I would be rejected once going out, I would have been better prepared.
We started with 105 women, and now the single women's organization has 10,000.
Stories of ordinary Indians doing extraordinary work, achieving the unthinkable.
The objective overall is to counterbalance terrorism with the opposite of terrorism, which would be love and compassion, and that would result in peace.
Social problems can only be solved if we think of new ways and take big risks.
That no children should leave their school just because of the lack of money.
Stories that inspire the nation.
One of my real dreams, I would say my biggest dreams, is K2.
This is the new Gandhigiri. Don't crib about the school. Collect 15 rupees, make a model and gift it to your science teacher.
I want every Indian to be able to love organic waste and recycle everything else as much as they can.
Stories that are truly amazing.
I will not cry on anybody's shoulder, but I give my shoulder for them to cry on.
2 years of immense hard work. An array of more than 100 rousing stories.
ये हमारे जिज्ञासा है कि IIT टॉप करके डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट बन करके हमको साइंटिस्ट बनना है.
Honoring those with a vision, unflinching commitment and immense compassion, whose selfless service has benefited the society.
जितना भी पढ़ोगे, मैं पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन पढ़ाई के साथ साथ एक अच्छा इंसान भी बनो, ताकि खुद को भी अच्छा लगे, दूसरे को भी मदद मिले.
We want to stick to our mantra that we decided when we founded the company of reaching 1 million people or impacting the lives of 1 million people all over India by 2015.
A momentous endeavor by Times Now in partnership with Mahindra. A journey that is now in its 3rd year, traversing the remotest corners of the country to discover the inspiring and untold stories of these crusaders in various categories.
जितनी घर में महिला है जो काम करेगी तो अपना भविष्य आगे माने अपने आमदनी को बढ़ाएगी, अपने भविष्य को देखेगी और समाज में विकास भी होगा.
I'd like to say in Hindi is that अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं उठो और करो.
An endeavor that finally culminates into an award ceremony. Winners that are selected through a rigorous screening process by an eminent panel of judges. But has a platform like Amazing Indians helped strengthen the cause of these unsung heroes? Telling their story to millions of people has given a new direction, a new meaning to them. 2 years down the line, these amazing Indians are even more committed, dedicating their life towards a better India. The first year brought in stories that left the nation awestruck, like our unstoppable Indian Prakasho Tomar. At 60, she picked up the gun to follow her heart's calling. Though she has won many laurels and medals for her shooting prowess, but being on the Amazing Indians platform gave an inspiring push to her cause.
लड़कियां तो ये सोचते हैं कि इस काम को हम बहुत ज़्यादा लगन करके करेंगे, तो हमारा भी तो टीवी पे ये दिखाया जाएगा, हैं तो उनके हौसले बढ़े.
After hearing her speech on the Amazing Indians platform, many more girls in her village have decided to learn the sport of shooting and are trying to break the confined walls of the patriarchal system that they have grown in.
एक तो लड़के लड़की में हम दीवार हो गए, और लड़की ये बच्चे सभी करीब करीब ये कहते हैं कि दादी इस उम्र में कर सकती है, तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते। ये हमारा ये देख देख कर बच्चों को बहुत हौसला बढ़ाया, बहुत लगन लगी, उन्होंने बहुत मेडल उठाई।
For some, it's been a medium to inspire people, and for some, the platform of Amazing Indians has been a tool of motivation and recognition. Just like Sachi Singh, winner of the Ordinary Indian Extraordinary Stories category, who has been relentlessly working to eradicate child labor. The award has motivated her team to give their best, with more and more people now coming forward to help her in her endeavor.
It definitely brought in recognition, and a lot of people understood what work we were doing, which they were not able to understand initially. And it also brought in a sense of huge responsibility, which motivates us, which has encouraged the team also, that it's a very challenging role that every day the team does. So to get this recognition motivates them to move on further, and we have reached out to many more children. We are reaching out to children in other districts also, and people have across the country have identified that the station work that we are doing at the railway station is a replicable model for other stations to follow.
And for our global Indian Shanti Raghavan, life has taken an incredible turn after her Amazing Indians journey. A turn that has not only given her recognition for the work that she is doing, but immense support from the government.
What we have seen is that with the positive stories that Times Now has generated, we are finding that people do feel that there is a side of India which is doing the right things, developing the country in a positive way. The government of Karnataka has started a path-breaking initiative, which is the placement cell for persons with disability. We are the implementing agency, and we are working very closely with the department, government department and NGOs for the training and placement of persons with disability.
For Kaushalendra Kumar, an MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, who decided to systemize the agricultural sector in Bihar, the last 2 years after Amazing Indians have been very exciting.
Government of Bihar had decided to create a special space in the city plan for vendors, and now they want to develop something called vendors cooperative in cities. So all these are like somewhere impacted and affected by this program also.
Recognition from the state government, a smooth passage for his effort to flourish, and replication of his model across Bihar and neighboring states has given an instant push to his initiative.
After season 1, like many people came to know about us, and many young minds living in urban cities like Bangalore, Jaipur, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, they watched the program and then they realized, oh wow, somebody who has done MBA plus engineering is selling vegetables. If he could do this, we could also do this. So in that way, you guys have helped me and our organization in developing more Kaushalendra across India, and in that way helped us a lot.
These stories are truly a spark of inspiration for all of us.
And one such category is Spark the Rise, Mahindra's campaign that provides a platform that propels innovation and entrepreneurship. And E-Prashala's Pramod Shinde, who was featured in this category in our debut year,
liquid changes into gaseous, is known as evaporation,
came a lot closer to solving the problems of remote areas by bringing modern education closer to underprivileged students.
Before Amazing Indians, since we were working in rural India, there was a lot of confusion among the people about the product, and there was also a lot of confusion among us regarding whom to approach and how to approach. But since being featured on the Amazing Indians, it has helped us a lot. The people are now aware of exactly what we are doing, and they are willing to give us a chance. In a short span of 2 years, E-Prashala is benefiting more than 50,000 rural children in more than 350 rural schools across India.
The second year was bigger and better in every sense. Amazing Indians too became testimony to our commitment, while making this platform a force to reckon with. 13 categories, 56 stories, with each category bringing out extraordinary stories of compassion, dedication and selfless service to the nation. And the impact, bigger and even more powerful.
Definite change in my life, in fact a very major one for that matter.
My mother and father finally understood what I was doing, so right from there it was very useful.
Amazing Indians changed the lives of many, but to some it gave a new lease of life. Deepa Malik, a paraplegic athlete, is an inspiration to all. But all that she has received in terms of help were words of sympathy. Until she was seen by millions of viewers on Amazing Indians, and since then there has been no looking back.
The fact that I've been included in the list of Amazing Indians, I think this is the biggest gift I could give back to my family, I could give back to my parents.
I travel, I have to travel with my coach or a person who has to take care of me in my disability. So, you know, going there, immediately fielding the entry fees, immediately buying 2 tickets, booking accommodation, local transportation, that too in Europe, in just 1 month twice. So I guess I would have not played this World Championship if this kind of funding had not come my way. This funding which came in a way from that awards was a major help.
She has not only been promised sponsorship for her participation in international games, but is now a motivational speaker at many forums.
I got a lot of recognition as a motivational speaker. A lot of people thought that yes, my story and my words can motivate, and the more and more motivational opportunities that I got a voice, I got a platform to spread awareness of what I really set out to do.
For our very own Indian at heart, Franz Gussler, who has left no stone unturned to empower tribal girls through football in the rural hinterlands of Jharkhand, the award has not only helped the government be more receptive towards his cause, but has also acted as a medium to inspire many young individuals.
I get up and do the same work every day and I work with the same kids, but our program is getting bigger and it's being recognized by more and more people around India, and I think that that's a healthy thing for our program, because with support from people in India who really want to help us to make a change, we can inspire a lot of young people to do what these girls are doing.
Shafiq Khan has been working to rescue and rehabilitate girls who've been victims of bride trafficking. And for him, life has taken a complete 360-degree turn since last year.
जब हम लोग अमेजिंग इंडियन की शूटिंग कर रहे थे, उस वक्त मैं काफ़ी डिप्रेशन में था, काफ़ी फ्रस्ट्रेशन में था। लगातार 7 साल तक जो है मैं काम कर रहा था और कोई आवाज़ देने वाला नहीं था, कोई बात करने वाला नहीं था, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं था। तो इस वजह से फ्रस्ट्रेशन थी। अभी जब हम लोग उसके इम्पैक्ट की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं तो मैं काफ़ी हद तक फ्रेश हूँ और लोगों का ध्यान गया है कॉज की तरफ, लोगों का ध्यान गया है हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ, क्या हम कैसे काम करते हैं।
Shafiq now receives tremendous aid from the police while rescuing victims. Many national as well as international organizations have also offered unconditional support as he fights to rehabilitate victims in the society.
पहले क्या होता था कि चूंकि हमारी नेशनल मीडिया में कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, आप पुलिस के पास गए या फिर आप किसी जगह गए जहां पे आपको अपनी बात रखनी है तो आपकी वैल्यू नहीं होती थी। अभी हम लोग उत्तराखंड में एक कैंपेन कर रहे हैं, कूल पुलिस कैंपेन। हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो है पुलिस के साथ ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं हम ट्रैफिकिंग को फोकस करके, और ओवरऑल जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन पे काम कर रहे हैं। और वो आइडेंटिटी कहीं ना कहीं अमेजिंग इंडियन की अवार्ड की वजह से है। सबसे बड़ा जो एक मज़ेदार इंसिडेंट रहा वो ये रहा कि जो इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क्स हैं अलग अलग एंटी ट्रैफिकिंग के, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस के, जो जिन इश्यूज़ पे हम काम करते हैं, तो उन नेटवर्क के साथ हमारा रिलेशन बिल्ड हुआ। तो ये सारे बड़े बड़े चेंजेस हैं।
For our young educator Aditya Natraj, who is working towards improving India's primary education system by training and equipping the headmasters to run schools in a much better manner, the biggest change has been in the attitude of people towards his work. Aditya now is busy planning to implement his teacher training model in other states as well, an idea that would otherwise have taken years to materialize.
It's actually been very useful. Non-profit organizations who have been working in education from across the country, in Orissa and Tamil Nadu and Andhra, have actually got in touch with us saying we want to follow a similar model. So we're getting lots of partnership opportunities as a result of this. State governments in different parts, we only work in the west of India, but other state governments have got in touch with us saying, "Aap hamare yahan bhi aake kyun na aise kare?" And most importantly, individual citizens have got in touch with us who have been inspired by doing, who want to do some work in development and want to do something in education, have been inspired and said, can we do something, can we get involved ourselves in this cause in some way with your activities, can we volunteer? And it just sort of gave a lot of credibility to the cause as a whole, saying that this is something important. I think the main thing is the credibility for the cause.
Funding has always been a concern for this innovator at heart. Kanav Kohol, who is credited with the invention of Swasthya tablet, has now added many more dimensions to his innovation. From measuring 9 vitals earlier to now taking the count to 33, the new and improved Swasthya tablet received more funding after he clinched the Amazing Indians award. And this has motivated his team to plan more cost-effective innovations.
One cannot underestimate the fact that when more and more people come to know about it, the system actually does pick up, and you get not only people adopting the technology. I can tell you that before this we were in 40 odd locations, now we are in 80 odd locations across the world. We are in Peru, we are in Timor-Leste, we are in Philippines, Norway, Nigeria, Kenya. Places where people just heard from someone that this is a news item and they want to move it forward. So it's been a huge impact from that perspective. I also think that it has given us enough of it's given us enough of a presence where people are coming to us and saying, how can we help you? So that's been another thing. And I think hearing back from foundations that have funded our work because of this is just a great opportunity for us. So it's not only an impact on an emotional level, but an impact at a financial level as well as at the level of creating a social impact.
In its third year now, Amazing Indians is back with yet another series of inspiring stories.
मैं बस ये मन कर रहा था कि इतनी जोर से चिल्लाऊं, सबको बता दूं कि आज मैं टॉप ऑफ द अवार्ड पे हूं। उन लोगों को बता दूं जिन लोगों ने मेरा मजाक उड़ाया था कि तुम तो विकलांग हो गई हो, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकती हो।
With the aim of giving wings to the ceaseless efforts of these unsung heroes.
मैं 10 साल बाद अपने को एक डॉक्टर के फॉर्म में देखना चाहूँगी कि मैं किसी हॉस्पिटल में बैठी हूँ और अपने लोगों की सेवा कर रही हूँ। और स्पेशली मेरा बचपन से सपना था कि मैं गरीबों से पूरी फीस माफ़ करके मैं उनका इलाज करूँ।
How do we really apply technology and in particular communication technology for social development?
Embarking on this journey once again, we salute and continue to celebrate the courage and endeavour of these real icons.
What are we doing for the children, say, of sugarcane workers, of construction labourers, of other workers who are moving from one location to another? Nobody has given it a thought.
The Amazing Indians of our country.